welcome back. I hope you had a wonderful weekend and that you were able to enjoy the sunshine. Today we are going to read chapter 9, and then after that there is only one more chapter left of our book. Chapter 9 is called The Mysterious M. We remember from chapter 8 that the parrot was trying to tell them to go back, and we were wondering who the parrot was and what the parrot was trying to warn them about. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and read chapter 9 and see if our prediction was correct or incorrect. The Mysterious M. Drip, drip. Jack opened his eyes. Rain was dripping from the leaves of the tree. They were back in Frog Creek. The rain was softer, the wind was gentler, the air was sweeter. Oh, man, Jack sighed. That was close. He was still holding the gold medallion. Polly's gone, said Annie sadly. I was hoping she might come back with us. No magic creature has ever come back with us, said Jack. He pulled off his backpack. It was damp with rain and salt water. Jack took out the pirate book. He put it on the stack of books, on top of the dinosaur book, and the night book, and the mummy book. How do you think that Jack and Annie are feeling right now? They've just woken up in Pennsylvania. How do you think they're feeling? Do you think they're relieved? Show me how you think their faces are. What emotion are they feeling? Yeah, probably like, whew, that was so close. Then Jack put the gold medallion beside the bookmark with the letter M. Next, he went down onto his knees and he ran his finger over the shimmering M on the floor. We didn't find any M's on this trip, he said. Or the M person, said Annie. Squawk! Polly! Annie cried. The parrot swooshed into the treehouse. She perched on the stack of books. Polly looked straight at Jack. What are you doing here? He asked her. Slowly, Polly raised her bright green wings. They grew bigger and bigger until they spread out like a huge green cape. Then, in a swirl of colors, in a blur of feathers and light, in a flapping and stretching and screeching, in a new moment, a being took shape. Uh-oh, who do we think this is? You've probably guessed it by now. Polly was not a parrot any longer. In her place was an old woman, a beautiful old woman with long white hair and piercing eyes. She wore a green feathered cape. She was perched on the stack of books, and she was very calm and very still. Neither Jack nor Annie could speak. They were too amazed. Hello, Jack. Hello, Annie, said the parrot. Then the woman. Hello, Jack. Hello, Annie. My name is Morgan Le Fay. So, this is Morgan, and if you've read any of the other books, if you were in the class with us, then you know that Morgan somehow shows up in every single adventure that Jack and Annie take on. What we don't know is exactly why Morgan shows up, or who she is, or where she comes from. What does she have to do with the treehouse? So, if you would like to predict who she is, what does she have to do with the magic treehouse? Did she build it, do we think? Does she have something to do with history? And my challenge to you today is to get creative and somehow draw a picture of this chapter. Draw what happened, maybe make a comic book of the different sequence of events, or maybe draw the transformation of Polly to Morgan Le Fay, or draw Jack and Annie in the treehouse. The purpose of these challenges is just to get you thinking about the book and have you be able to do something fun and creative. So, that's my challenge for you today, and tomorrow we will come back together and read chapter 10, which is called Treasure Again. And I'm wondering if maybe somehow they can find out what was in that treasure chest. So, I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.